Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my cousin brother Arav, and today we are going to open this big advent calendar.
Yeah, so we're going to be opening the first one today, and we're going to make the second. We're going to do the second one later down. So stay tuned for more. So I'm going to be opening the first one.
Okay, so let's get started.
Some effects.
Wow. So,
Hey guys.
I want you to open the first one.
Yeah, let's do it.
Wait a minute.
We only have one try at this.
Okay, just pop.
See, guys. See, this is how you open it. You push it down, and then you pull it up, and then you've got.
Where did you get it?
It's a snowman. Yeah, guys, everyone, you get a snowman for the first one, and all of these have chocolates. It's not a snowman actually; it's a gingerbread man. Yeah, so we get chocolates, and stay tuned because later down today we're going to open this one, and you get the chocolate to eat.
Okay, so we'll do the second one now, and then we'll do the other one.
Yeah, so see you later.
Okay.
Yeah, so bye guys. See you in part 2. Now stay safe.